Good morning, friends. Previous lecture we have discussed about this forward differences, how to construct a forward differences, how to retrieve this first forward differences, second forward differences up to so on. Now observation for the forward differences are observation 1 for forward differences. Observation 1. We can express any higher order of forward differences of y0 in terms of entries y0, y1, y2 up to yn. We can express any higher order forward differences of y0 in terms of y0, y1, y2 up to yn. So you can expect. So this can be represented as, suppose first forward difference is delta y0. First forward difference is delta y0. So we can express this expression to delta y0 is equal to y1 minus y0. So this forward differences can represent as entries of y0 and y1. Same as delta square y0, that means y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. We can see this in previous lecture. Also delta cube y0, that means y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 plus y0. So this delta y0 first forward differences, here are second forward differences, here third forward differences, and so on. So we can see that, so here we can see that coefficient of the entries on right hand side, coefficient of this entry are in the right hand side are binomial coefficient. So that means binomial coefficient. Binomial Dvipadi theorem. Binomial theorem, Dvipadi Prameya. X plus y raised to n power. So first entry nc0, x raised to n yc0 plus nc1, x raised to n minus 1 y1 plus nc2, x raised to n minus 2 y2 up to ncn. So here 1 nc1, that means n, nc2, that means n minus 1 upon 2. Here coefficient of this right hand side are here 1 minus 2 and plus 1. Here 1 minus 3. Whenever we present this third forward differences, so third forward difference is then 1 minus 3 plus 3. So nc0, nc1, that means 3c0. Third forward difference is, that means 3c1, 3c2 and 3c3. 3c3, that means 1, 3c2, that means 3, 3c1. That means 3 and 3c0 is 1. So coefficient of this right hand side are 1, 3, 3 and 0. 1, 3, 3 and sorry 1. Same as 2c0, 2c1 and 2c2. NC0, 2c0 1, 2c2 1, 2c1. That means 2. So coefficient of this terms, second forward difference is, so 1, 2 and 1. So this is whenever we represent the first order, second order and third forward differences, and we see in the right hand side that these coefficient entries are a binomial theorem. So we can express any nth order forward differences are nc0. So here yn minus nc0, you can write, see this, nc0 yn minus nc1 yn minus 1 plus nc2 n minus 2 minus nc3 yn minus 3 plus minus 1 raised to n power y0. Here y0 તો લાસ્ટમાં y0 આવે, y0 તો લાસ્ટમાં y0 આવે, અહીંયા y0 તો લાસ્ટમાં y0 આવે, એક વધતું જાય અને જે ટર્મ્સ હોય એની અંતમાં. यहाँ 3 पावर है, थर्ड फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस इज तो y3, second forward difference is y2, and forward difference is yn. So this coefficient are in a binomial theorem. So minus 1 raised to n y0, minus 1 raised to n, that means here what is this forward number of forward differences? Here second forward difference is minus 1 power minus 1 raised to 2, and my third forward difference is minus 1 power 3. So we can express this term by this normal form. You can express the terms of y0, and you can express any higher order forward differences of y0 in terms of y1, y2, y0 up to yn by this equation. Same as observation 2, we can see in the forward differences y1 minus y0 are delta y0. So we can y1 is equal to delta y0 plus y0. So y0 comma, so 1 plus delta. Same as suppose y2 minus y1, that means delta y1. So y2 is equal to delta y1 plus y1. Here y1 common, so here 1 plus delta. So y2 is equal to 1 plus delta. We can put this value y1 in here. So 1 plus delta into 1 plus delta. So y2 is equal to 1 plus delta square. Same as y3 is equal to, similarly y3 is equal to 1 plus delta cube. So yn is equal to 1 plus delta raised to, here y3 is equal to 1 plus delta cube, y2 is equal to 1 plus delta square. So yn is equal to 1 plus delta n. This is the binomial theorem. We can express this way, nc0 1 raised to n delta raised to 0 plus nc1 here 1 plus delta y1 minus y0 is equal to delta y0. So y1 is equal to delta 1 plus delta y0. We can put this value with this value of this y1 here, 1 plus delta into y0. So 1 plus delta into y0, 1 plus delta square y0, same as 1 plus delta cube y0, here y0. We can express this binomial theorem 1 plus delta raised to n power nc0 plus nc1. Here 1 any power of this one are 1. So delta raised to minus n minus 1 plus nc2 delta n minus 2 plus up to ncn delta raised to n. Forward difference is power n y0. Same is here. You can multiply y0 in the count. So y0 into 1, that means y0 plus nc1, that means n. You can write here nc1 into delta raised to n. Here we can expand this binomial theorem 1 plus delta raised to n. nc0 1 raised to n and delta raised to 0, so 1. nc1 1 raised to n minus 1 and delta raised to 1, plus nc2 1 raised to n minus 2 delta square, plus nc3 delta cube. So we can here ncn delta raised to n and y0. So multiplying y0 here, nc0 that means 1 into y0, so y0 plus nc1 delta y0 plus nc2 delta square y0. This second forward difference is nc3 delta cube y0 up to NCN delta raised to n y0. NCN, that means 1. So yn can be represented, we can express in terms of this y0, delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0 up to delta raised to n y0. Sum we can express in this term. So whenever we ask in exam find this yx, so whenever we see in the form of n, we can replace n with x. n ની જગ્યાએ x મૂકી દઈએ એટલે આપણને x ની અંદર ફોર્મ મળી જાય. So this is the two observation of the forward differences. Now backward differences you can see. Backward differences. Backward differences, ascending order. Suppose we have a function of y is equal to f of x. Our function given y0, y1, y2 and y3. Here y0, y1, y2 up to yn are given entry of x0, x1, x2 up to xn. So x0 are argument, x1, x0, x1, x2 up to xn are argument, and to corresponding entry of this function are y0, y1, y2 up to yn. So we can express the backward differences by using this nebula operator. This symbol called a nebula operator. Here first forward difference is here y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2 up to yn minus 1 are denoted respectively. Suppose y1 minus y0, that means nebula y1. In the forward differences y1 minus y0, that means delta y0. જે બાદ થાય છે એ forward differences બને. Here y1 minus y0, that means nebula y1. y2 minus y1, that means nebula y2. y3 minus y2, that means nebula. This is the backward. First backward differences. y3 minus y2, that means nebula y3. Up to yn minus 1, that means nebula yn. We can construct the backward difference table. For this function y is equal to f of x. X, that means argument. X, that means argument. Y, that means y is the entry of this function. Suppose first entry or x0, so we can produce the output y0. Here x1, interval of this unity are h, x0 plus h. We can represent as first entry x1, x0 plus h. Two consecutive terms are differ from this common interval h. So we can here produce the output y1. We can also write this f of x0 plus h. Suppose second entry x2, that means x0 plus 2h. Here produce the output y2, f of x0 plus 2h. x3, x0 plus 3h. This is the entry. So here output y3, f of x0 plus 3h. x4, x0 plus 4h. So produce the output y4, f of x0 plus 4h. Directly you can write f of x0 plus 4h, that means y4. x5, x0 plus 5h. So here y5 f of x0 plus 5h and x0 plus 6h. So produce the output y6 for the corresponding value of f of x6. So f of x0 plus 6h. Now we see the previous lecture, first forward difference is same as like here first backward difference. First backward difference is like this nebula y. Here we can see in the forward difference is delta y. Delta, second forward difference is delta square y. Third forward difference is delta cube y. So same as the first backward differences are nebula y. y1 minus y0 is equal to nebula y1. Same as y2 minus y1, that means first backward difference is nebula y2. y3 minus y2 is equal to nebula y3. y4 minus y3 represented as a nebula y4. y5 minus y4, so nebula y5. y6 minus y5 is equal to nebula y6. This is the first backward difference. Now, second backward differences are nebula square y. Nebula square, that means second forward difference. So nebula y2 minus, here we can read nebula y2 minus nebula y1. So nebula square, here y2 minus nebula square y2. Nebula y3 minus nebula y2. So nebula square, second backward difference is of y3. Nebula y4 minus nebula y3. Nebula square y4. Here nebula y5 minus nebula y4. That means second backward difference is of y5. Nebula y6 minus nebula y5. That means nebula square, second backward difference is of y6. You can also third backward difference is written. You can have third backward difference is that means nebula cube y. Here we can express these third backward differences like delta square, nebula square y3 minus nebula square y2. It represents this third backward differences of y3. Nebula square y4 minus nebula square y3. It represented the third backward differences of y4. Nebula square y5 minus nebula square y4. So nebula cube, third backward differences of y5. Nebula square y6 minus nebula square y5. That means third backward differences of y6. You can write the fourth backward differences nebula raised to 4y. So you can here write the nebula cube y4 minus nebula cube y3. You can return fourth backward differences of y4. Nebula cube y5 minus nebula cube y4. So nebula 4, fourth backward differences of y5. Nebula cube y6 minus nebula cube y5. So that means fourth backward differences of y6. You can write fifth backward differences and also sixth backward differences and so on. So in this poster we see here are first backward differences, second backward differences, third backward differences, fourth backward differences. You can see first backward differences of y6 here, second backward differences y6, third backward difference is y6, and fourth backward difference is y6. So we increasing this ascending order. In this forward differences, delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0, delta raised to 4 y0, this is the backward, descending order. Here backward differences are ascending order and forward differences are in a descending order. Here you can also see this nebula Wi-Fi, nebula square Wi-Fi, nebula cube Wi-Fi, nebula raised to 4 Wi-Fi. So increasing this order, increasing this order. So this is a ascending order because increasing first, second, third, fourth differences are in a ascending order. Same as in a forward differences, first, second, third differences are in a descending order. This is the construct a table for this backward differences. So you can remember this. You can remember this whenever y1 minus y0 is equal to delta y0. This is the first forward differences. So whenever you represent, you can see the symbol delta y0. That means this is a forward differences. So you can expand this y1 minus y0. But whenever y1 minus y0 and backward differences, so this is a nebula. But we can here written nebula y1. So nebula y1 is equal to y1 minus y0 and delta y0 is equal to y1 minus y0. This is the forward differences and this is a backward differences. Please note down. Suppose we find nebula here. Whenever we ask first backward differences of this, you can write or you can expand simply this. Suppose we write here nebula y7. So you can expand in easily. So here whenever nebula y7, so you can write y7 minus y6 in terms of entry y0, y1, y2 up to yn. So we can easily expand the terms, we can easily expand the any higher order in the backward differences in terms of the entry y0, y1, y2, y3 up to yn. So here put suppose nebula y3. So nebula y3, that means y3 minus y2. First backward difference is nebula y10. So you can expand easily y10 minus y9. But whenever we ask the delta y10. So delta y10, that means y11 minus y10. You remember this. This is a forward and this is the backward. So now we ask the suppose delta square y2. Nebula square y2. So we can expand these terms are nebula of nebula y2. So nebula of, you can expand in easily. Nebula y2, that means y2 minus y1. So nebula, you can solve this expression nebula y2 and nebula y1. You can expand, you can express this. Backward differences are y2 minus y1. Also express this equation are y1 minus y0. So y2 minus y1, that means minus 2y1, minus plus y0. So we can expand the second order backward differences of y2. So y2, here y2, here y2. One decrease and also one decrease. y2, y1 and y0. Also we can expand the nebula square y5. So how to expand nebula square y5? So nebula of nebula y5. So nebula square. So nebula y5, that means y5 minus y4. So nebula y5 minus nebula y4. So nebula y5, we can easily expand this term. Nebula y5, that means y5 minus y4. Here expand nebula y4, that means y4 minus y3. So y5 minus y4, that means 2y4, minus plus y3. So here nebula square y5, so y5, one decrease and one decrease. Second, so we can easily in terms of whenever we expand the second backward differences of y to or yn, so second backward differences of yn, second backward differences of yn. So we expand this second differences of yn from these two equations. So y2 હોય તો y2 minus 2y1 plus y0, y5 હોય તો y5 minus 2y4 plus y3. So yn હોય તો here yn minus 2 into 1 decrease, so yn minus 1 plus another 1 decrease, so n minus 2. You can easily second backward difference is expressed by this normal equation. Same as suppose third backward differences are third backward differences of y2. So third backward differences, that means nebula into nebula square y2. So delta of nebula square y2, that means nebula square y2, that means nebula y2 minus nebula y1, second backward differences of y2. Here nebula y2, that means y2 minus y1. Here minus y1 plus y0. You can expand in terms of the y0 entry. So nebula y2 minus 2y1 to nebula y1 plus nebula y0. You can expand these terms. y2 minus y1 minus 2 into nebula y1, that means y1 minus y0. Here nebula y0, that means y0 minus nebula square y0. Sorry, nebula y0, that means y0 minus 0 minus 1, y minus 1 entry. We can here not y minus 1 entry. So this is we can solve another problem. Sorry, nebula cube y2, that means it is not expandable. Nebula cube third forward differences of y2. So here we can see this third forward differences of y2. We can not obtain third forward differences of y2. Here third backward differences of y3, third backward differences of y4, third backward differences of y5, and third backward differences of y6. Whenever we have an entry of x0, x1, x2 up to, then we can obtain the third backward differences like this. Second backward differences of like this. So we retrieve the third backward differences of suppose y4. Third backward differences of y4. We can easily retrieve this. So nebula of nebula square y4. So nebula square y4, that means nebula y4 minus nebula y3. So nebula of nebula y4, that means y4 minus y3. Here y3 minus plus y2. So nebula y4 minus y3, that means 2 nebula y3 plus nebula y2. Nebula y4, that means y4 minus y3. Here nebula y3, that means y3 minus y2. And here y2, nebula y2, that means y2 minus y1. So y4 minus y3 minus 2y3 minus 3y3 minus plus 2y2 and plus y2, that means plus 2y2 minus y1. So you can expand the third backward differences of y4. So y4, 1 decrease, also 1 decrease and 1 decrease. y4, y3, y2 and y1. So you can easily expand y cube, third backward differences of yn. So here we can written like this, yn minus 3 as it is 1 decrease, that means yn minus 1 plus 3y. Also 1 decrease, that means n minus 2, that minus yn minus 3. So write down, and again we express the central differences